Ever felt like your WhatsApp text looks boring? What if I told you there are secret tricks to type in bold, italics, strikethrough, and even a cool monospace font without installing any app? Let me make your chat stand out in under 2 minutes. To make your text bold, just wrap your words or sentence with an asterisk. So let's go. For example, I have these messages already typed, so I want to format this into bold. What I'll do at the start of where I want to start making the text bold, I'll put an asterisk, and at the end of the line I put an asterisk, and automatically the word becomes bold. This is perfect for highlighting important points like meetings, times, or someone's name in a chat group. The way I've used in this meeting reminder, hey, just quick reminder. So you see, meeting reminder stands out. The next one we'll talk about is italics. To make it italic, wrap your text with an underscore. On your keyboard, look for an underscore. It's like a dash. So for example, the same message, let me copy and repaste it. So we want to make the same word, meeting reminder, or let me say we want to change this, hey, just a quick reminder, to make it italic. So we look for an underscore on our keyboard, and the end of that line we put an underscore. Underscore. So automatically the words are italicized automatically. So when I send the message, hey, just a reminder that we are meeting, it becomes italicized. And we use this, it's great for adding emphasis or making your words sound softer. Like when you are joking or being sarcastic, you can use the italics, or you can italize your words. Then the next one, we are talking about the strike through. Want to cross something out? Use a tilde. A tilde, for us men who don't know it, it's like a wavy thing on your keyboard. It's called a tilde. So let's apply in our chat also. We copy the original message, we paste. So to put a strike through, we select the word we want, the start of the word. Let me select this, meeting. Then we look for the tilde. Then at the end of the word also we add a tilde. So you see the word meeting reminder has been crossed out. So this is handy when correcting yourself or showing something is no longer valid. Example, when you tell somebody like meeting today at 8 a.m. Then you correct yourself, then you say, let me say the meeting is at 9. So you can cross out 8 using the strike through, so that he knows it's not at 8 but at 9 a.m. So that's all about WhatsApp text formatting. It's like in Word, you format your text so that it appears beautiful and easy presentable. So that is bold, italic, strike through, and monospace. And you can even combine them. For example, if you use them in a word, it creates emphasis, it shows the title, and many other things. And that's how you unlock WhatsApp hidden text formatting tricks in seconds. If this helped you, hit like so more people can find it, and tap subscribe, because in the next video I'll show you how to send a viewer's voice note on WhatsApp. Yes, you heard that right, a voice note on WhatsApp. See you there.